Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Unboxing King. My name is Kartik and I am the host over here. Today in this video, I am going to unbox the new Dualsense charging station for the new PS5 controllers, which are these. So let's start with the unboxing. So here we have the box. Let's open it. Here at the back side, we can see that it can charge two controllers and it also has some free USB ports, and also there's a click-in design. So for example, this is the controller. So over here we can see this magnets, so we can just place it like this, and as shown in the picture, it represents the controllers charging. So let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Here we have so we get two boxes inside. Let's check what's in this one. I think in this one we have the charging station, and in this one I think it's empty, or no. Okay, so in this box we get a manual for the same. So if you're new to using the PS5, you can access it. So let me open it. So it's clearly mentioned that how this thing works. So there are some ports and you connect it and it works like this. So let's keep it aside for now. And now let's open the main Dualsense charging station. Okay, so here we get some of the wires, and here is the Dualsense wireless charging station. We have the wires and this. Let's keep the box aside. Let's first open the wires. So this is the main port, the cable which we have to connect to the plug, and this one, this connector over here would be installed inside the other wire. So let me just open it also. So this wire would be connected to this, just like this. It's really simple, and now it's connected, and we can see the official branding of the Sony company which has made the PS5. So now let's open the main thing. So here we have the Dualsense charging station, and as we can see that there are two controllers. So there are the ports for two controllers, and at the bottom we can see the branding, and this is the port. So we have to connect this wire over here just like this, and over here we can see the PlayStation logo. So it's quite nice, and the theme of the PlayStation and all its accessories and the main PS5, so the theme is black and white. So it's really nice because earlier it was just black or some other color. So now let's connect the ports, and for testing I have two of the controllers too. So first let me just connect it. So it's also quite simple. You just need to pop it like this, and it's connected. And now you have to plug, and now you have to switch on. So here I have the port. Let's keep it right over here. So as you can see, we've connected and the switch is also on. So now let's move on to our charging station and test it with the two controllers. And also one thing that I noticed is that there's grip over here. So there are this silicone or the rubber stripes over here. So it's really nice because it won't move. You can see it's quite good. And here I have the two controllers, and let's test it. So we can see we have to click this magnet over here. So it will make a sound also. And as you can see, for proof, it's showing that whenever your controller is charging, a yellow line over here will show. So as you can see, now let me connect the other one too. This is the other one, and as you can see, the yellow light over here is showing. So in this controller too, there's a green light. So it's quite nice, and it keeps your controllers charged whenever you want to play with your friends or hang out or anything. So let me give you a look of it. So it looks like this from the front, and if we keep it sideways, it looks something like this, and from the back side. So this charging station is show you the box again. So this was the new charging station of the DualSense wireless controllers. I hope you liked the unboxing in this video. So please like and comment on this video, and also please subscribe with all the notifications turned on so that you don't miss any of my unboxing videos or the shorts. And also don't forget to comment below if you want to see more of these PlayStation 5 shorts and as well as videos. Bye for now. See you in my upcoming shorts or the uploads.